Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, enter settings and go to passwords and security. Now enter passwords and draw your pattern or confirm with other type of password you've got. So from here you can select pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's select password. Now we'll select pin. And now let's go back to pattern. If it's done, let's enter fingerprint unlock and scan your fingerprint. Fingerprint in this phone, fingerprint sensor in this phone is right here on the back, just below the camera. So let me scan my fingerprint. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. And move on to last unlock method, which is face unlock. Now simply scan your face and use it to unlock the phone. Okay, my face is already scanned, so let's use it now to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.